Okay, guys, so the first deal that we're going to do is on the Axe deodorant. And this deal is a buy one, get one half off. It is a BOGO deal, and it's also spend 25, get $10 back in bonus cash. Now, this is one of the products you can use. You can also use the Axe stick deodorant. You can do the Dove deodorant as well as the Degree deodorant. But I chose to do the Axe because I had a CRT that would spend $30 in Axe deodorant and get $12 off. So I had to get my total to 30 instead of 25 so that I could use that CRT. So that's why you see the odd amount of deodorants. So they were $6.29, and then you buy one for full price, you get the second one for half off, which is $3.15. So I had to get a total of 7 in order to get to my $30 mark because I was just a couple of cents off. So I used that, and then I did that deal, and then I got the 12 off of 30 CRT. Now, I also had a 30% off Axe deodorant, but please look at that CRT because it's strictly on the deodorant. It's not on the body sprays. So I should have gotten the deodorant instead of the body sprays, but the deodorant costs more than the sprays. So let me show you guys my receipt. So here you see $6.29 and then $3.15 all the way down. And the last one, which was the eyeball, was $6.29. Then I got $12 off because it was $12 for spending the 30, and then I used a $3 extra buck. So my total was $19.58 plus the $3, which is $22.58. But then I got back a $10 extra buck. Now, I cannot submit my receipt to Ibotta because the Ibotta rebate is only for the stick deodorants. It is not for the sprays. It will not work. I tried to submit my receipt. Also, there is a Fetch rebate, and the Fetch rebate is for the deodorant sticks too. So don't be like me and get the Axe sprays, because then you're going to end up paying $12.58 out of pocket. Whereas if you get the sticks, you can get $5 back from Ibotta, as well as $2.50 back from Fetch. But I'm still happy with what I got because getting 7 of these for $12.58 is absolutely fine with me. And here is my $10 extra buck, just in case you guys didn't see that. The next deal is a digital deal. It is the Dial hand wash. It is $2.49. Excuse me, it's $2.59. And I had a $2.50 Dial liquid hand soap CRT, so I had to pick that up because it would have only made it 99 cents, and that's just like free, so it only made sense to grab that. But then the other thing that I grabbed were some Dove hand soaps. Now with this deal, I made another video, and I will connect that video to this video. I did this deal yesterday because yesterday when I got them, they were buy one, get one half off. But this, and you didn't get any extra bucks or anything. But then this week's deal is buy one, they're 2 for $8, and you get $3 extra bucks. So to me, I think this deal is the better deal. And there's all kind of Ibotta rebates as well as Fetch rebates. So let's go over the deal. So we already talked about the Dial, but I wanted to put that in there because it's on the same receipt. So I got the 2 Dove hand washers. You can either get this shape or you can get the antibacterial ones. Either ones, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what scent you get. And like I said, they're 2 for $8. So when you buy 2, you also get a $3 extra buck. So I've got those 2. Now some of you guys may have a Dove CRT, or a hand wash CRT. If you have any of those, you can add those in. That'll bring your out of pocket down lower. But I didn't have any of those, and I really don't need them. But I got these two. And then right now, Ibotta has a rebate where you submit your receipt and you get $1.50 back for each one. So that's another $3 back. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch. Now, some of you have the offer on Fetch where you get 50% back for what you spend, up to 5 of them. And then other people have the offer where you get $1.25 back. So on this account that I use for this one, I'm getting 50% back. Okay, so let's look at the receipt, because if say you don't do the dub and you don't do the dial and you just do the dub, it's a moneymaker, because you're going to pay $8 for these, then you're going to get $3 back in bonus cash. So then that's going to be $5 out of pocket. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $3 back from Ibotta. So now that's $2 out of pocket. You submit your receipt to Fetch if you have the 50% off, and then you're going to get $4 back. So that makes this a $2 money maker. Now, if you don't have the 50% off, but you have the $1.25 off, then you're going to pay, that's going to come to $8. You're going to get $3 back in bonus cash. So then now you're at $5 out of pocket. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $3 back. So now that's $2 out of pocket. And you submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get $2.50 back from Ibotta. So then that's a 50-cent moneymaker. So either way, it's going to be a moneymaker for you. It just depends on how much of a moneymaker it's going to be for you, which depends on which rebate you have in Fetch. So I did these 3 items all on one receipt. So let's look at my receipt. So there's the Dove hand wash, $4. The Dial hand soap, $2.59. There's the $2.50 CRT that I used for the Dial. So that was $8.09. I got back the $3 extra bucks. And then you'll see that I got back my $3 back from Ibotta. And then you'll see the amount that I got back from Fetch. So guys, that makes this a money maker. All right, so the last thing that I got were the Airwick oil refills, and yes, they are glitching again this week. So what you want to do, first off, they're on sale for $5.99 a piece, which is great because that's what we usually pay at like Walmart or, you know, other stores. And they're not giving back any extra bucks or anything, but you're going to pay the $5.99 for each of them. Then you're going to clip the Airwick coupon that is in your CVS app for $3 off. That is going to glitch with your $3 paper coupon that just came out in this Sunday's paper. So you're going to be able to use both of those coupons. And the reason it's a glitch is because the coupons say $3 off too. So really, if you were going to use both coupons, you would really need 4 of these Airwicks. But because it's a glitch, you only need 2. Now, I was able to bring my out-of-pocket even lower because I had a $2 off 10 air freshener CRT. And that's what I used to make this even lower. Okay, so let's go over this receipt. So there you see they were originally $5.99 each. Here's the price over here. There you see the glitch. There's the 2 $3 coupons. The first one's the manufacturer paper coupon that I used, and the second one is the digital coupon. And then the $2 off 10 air freshener CRT. So I paid $3.98 out of pocket. So really that meant I paid like $2 for each one of these. I'm perfectly okay with that. Alrighty, so this is everything that I got. Here are the 7 Axe sprays the 1 Dial hand soap, the 2 Airwick oil refills, and the 2 Dove hand washes. So go through your CRTs, match everything up, make sure that you are maximizing your savings. And I didn't use but 1 paper coupon, which was the Airwick coupon. So guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know, come back, let me know what you did with the Dove hand soaps. Which ones did you get? What scent you get? Let me know if you did the spend 25, get 10 for Father's Day. And until the next time, keep on saving.